Hello everyone, and welcome back to my channel, Tech with Babar. In previous classes, Microsoft Interface and Basic Options are done. Now, we'll begin with some simple tasks and gradually move toward longer and more challenging ones. So, let's begin our journey. Today, we'll learn how to create and customize tables in Microsoft Excel. To make a table, you can, giving serial numbers like that, or write one in the cell, place your cursor on the bottom corner until it turns into a plus sign, and then drag it downward. Once you drag it downward, open the autofill options and select Fill Series, and watch the magic. This method helps you save time, especially when dealing with big projects or long lists. Now, just enter your data. After entering the data, I realized that I had written one name twice. If you want to correct it, simply select the cell and double-click to make changes. You can also press F2 to quickly edit the selected cell. After a short pause, we'll enter the remaining data. As you can see, the text "Obtain marks of a student" is too long and is spreading into the next cell. For this, simply move your cursor to the edge of the H column and drag it right to make the cell wider. Repeat the same step for the I column as well. Now, add your data again, and don't forget the tricks. They'll help make your work much easier. To calculate the percentage, write equals, select the obtained marks cell, then divide, select the total marks cell, multiply by 100, and press Enter. And now, simply drag it down to automatically calculate the percentage for all students. Now it's time to customize our table and make it look professional. Center your data. Start by selecting the entire table, then go to the Alignment group and choose Center Align. You may also select any other alignment that suits your data. Now, I want to make my header row bold. You can do this easily by clicking the bold icon or just press Ctrl+B. To italicize your text, press Ctrl+I, and to underline it, use Ctrl+U. To add a background color to your header row, simply select the row, click on the Fill Color option, and pick any color you like. As you can see, I chose a black background, so the text isn't visible. To fix this, select the range, go to the Font Color option, and pick a lighter color. Next, I'll apply borders to make the table look more attractive and well organized.